Hey mate, I've got a mate who's coming on a trip and he doesn't want to change his wheel bearings because he's going to sell the car after the trip. So I've heard he wants to borrow, I think it might have been my idea, his idea, or whose idea, I don't know, but if you're not going to change them, at least take a spare. So I said, you might as well borrow one of the old ones that's any good. I said, I don't keep any here, scrap metal, they're gone. Ask you. Yeah, so you got some good ones there?
Yeah, we've got some good ones there.
Because I was thinking, since we changed these ones as prevention off someone else that's coming on a trip, because the car's done 200,000 Ks, and I say they generally start giving trouble about 200,000 Ks. There's plenty of examples of that, right? We might as well just give him one of these ones, yeah? What's the difference?
Yeah, well, let's check it before we give it to him.
Check it, yeah.
See if it's all right.
Oh, actually, one other thing I thought, I'll put it down for a sec. If they're going to take spares on the trip, they need to know how to install it, so they're going to have to watch the videos, because I'm not working on the car on a trip because you wanted to save money on the maintenance, right?
Correct.
So to change this, they might have a few tools, but what are they going to need that most people won't have? Yeah, that's it, mate. So I've got a few of these to lend to people. So can you give him that socket with the wheel bearing, this one, that one, whatever, and just say, look, you better watch the videos, because if it collapses on the trip, Anthony isn't getting his hands dirty, because he doesn't work on trips.
I heard he's got the internet, so he shouldn't have to watch the videos and do it.
He's going to have Starlink for the trip, right?
Correct.
For the business. So if you've got Starlink, it's looking good. We'll keep uploading videos. Might get a bit muddy out there. We'll see if he ends up using the 35mm. Anyway, let's check these out. 200,000 Ks and make sure they're okay. You know, because there's no point. Seems a bit noisy. It's not very quiet bearing, is it? I wonder how many people have been wondering, show us these bearings at 200,000 Ks. Are they noisy, whatever? Right, you want to give the other one a spin, see if that's noisy or quiet or any different. Sounds like a pretty dry bearing to me, both of them.
It does.
Man. I'm glad he changed them as prevention, mate. Come on a trip with me, mate. I'm not working on my car, your car, any car. I'm on holidays, mate. We're driving. All right, so probably a better idea just to change new wheel bearings, but I thought I'd try and be funny for a minute. And while genuinely sharing some real information that these ones really, you know, getting replaced as prevention, great idea based on my recommendation, right? Because I reckon my recommendations are pretty good. What do you reckon? I mean, should people be changing these at 100,000 or just leave them, wait till they fail, or 300,000? What do you reckon? What do you reckon is a good time?
Depends if they're going on a big trip.
Yeah. If you're just going to Coles and back, then you can wait till it collapses and change it then, yeah.
Correct.
Because it might last till 400,000 Ks. But if you're going to the other side of Australia, what's your recommendation?
I'd rather change it than ruin my holiday.
How many Ks? When would you change? If it was your car, how often would you change these? If you had a car with this, whatever, even your car, you got an N80 Hilux, so if you're going to travel on a big trip,
before I travel, I do it.
Yeah, because there's no lubrication point, people. It's a sealed unit. It dries up, and if you've seen what I've seen, you don't want to get caught out anyway. Yeah. So look, there you go, mate. You can borrow the socket. You can have these old ones, or hopefully you spin some old ones you got back there and see if they're better for you, mate. Anyway, you can put in the comments, people. We're sold out of these. They've been selling. There must have been a video. If people watch videos, they see the evidence and they get to decide themselves what they want to do. And of course, I also believe my front hub setup's the best value for money. All the hard work's done. So why wouldn't you get a pair of front hubs from me? But you're not going to get them now until sometime in August. So sit tight, save up your pennies, and when you get your tax deduction back, the Prada Hospital Facebook page will have a post where you're saying, hey, we're ready for action. And then you can pump me again, and I'll just wish I went back on holidays. Thanks for watching. Bada bing. Catch you on the next one.